Class 4 and 5. The topic is mutual help in the neighborhood. Mutual help in the neighborhood. The introduction. Mutual help is the process of taking and giving help to our neighbors and neighborhood. A good relationship among the neighbors is very important. So, good neighbors make a healthy neighborhood. How to mutual help makes neighborhood better. The first point is, in neighborhood we share their problems with each other and solve them by mutual help. Second, in neighborhood we can help them to their happiness and sorrow. Third, cooperation is an important element to building a good relationship in a neighborhood. Now we know about how to carry out the different situations in a neighborhood by cooperative activities. First, if person is sick in our neighborhood, we call the ambulance and take them hospital quickly. The second is, if a person or a family has no food to eat, a neighborhood cooperate to provide food for them. And third is, if someone is passed away in neighborhood, we all are going to those and attend the funeral, and also the neighborhood collect money to help those families. Fourth point, if there is a marriage ceremony in neighborhood, we all are going to those house and help them and also attend the guests. And fifth point is, if someone is building a house in a neighborhood, we all are doing to help them to build up a house. Now we are going to a conclusion. The conclusion is, in a neighborhood, people solve almost every problem by themselves. They have built a good neighborhood and healthy community. In a good community, people help each other and solve problems. So we should follow such cooperative activities in our community too. Now, today's topic is class 4 and 5. Today's topic is mutual help in the neighborhood. First, I will give the introduction. What is the mutual help? Mutual help is the process of taking and giving help to our neighbors and neighborhood. I think all have a neighbors and all we are living in a neighborhood. So we can taking the help and also we giving the help from their side. A good relationship, where the good relationship is created, a good relationship among the neighborhood is very important. So good neighbors makes a healthy neighborhood. If our neighbors are good, our neighbors are helping nature, they help each other in their sorrows, in their joys, they makes a healthy neighborhood. Now, how to mutual help makes neighborhood better. I already teach them. In a neighborhood, we share the problems with each others and solve them by mutual help. We are living in a neighborhood, we have lots of problems they are create. We can solve them by the helping of mutual help, by the cooperation. And the second point, in the neighborhood, we can help them in their happiness and sorrow. I already told them in a good and healthy neighborhood, create the neighborhood by helping their sorrows, helping their joys, and helping their happiness to our neighborhood. We are help them in a mutual. We are by mutual help. And the third point, cooperation. The main important thing is neighborhood is cooperation. If we are cooperate with each other, all the problems we are solved easily. So cooperation is the most important elements to building a good relationship in a neighborhood. And the fifth point, and the fourth point is A. And now we are know about the different situations create in our neighborhood. How I think in your neighborhood also create this type of situation, and what we are do. For examples, our examples are there. If someone persons are falling sick, they can't reach the hospital, what we do? Our neighborhood call the ambulance and send to the hospital quickly. That is the that is by mutual help, by neighborhood. And the second situation is, if a person's a family they have no food for eat, our neighborhoods are neighborhood cooperated to provide their families, provide the foods for their families, though have food not to no food for eat. The third situation, if someone passed away in our neighborhood, so what we can do? If someone passed away in our neighborhood, we all the neighbors going their funeral, and we also attend their funerals, and we also help what they help or what they need the help we can give, and we our neighborhood also collect the money and to help them. That is the situation. If create the cooperative activities, we can do our neighborhood by mutual help. And the fourth is, if there is a marriage ceremony, I think we are living in a neighborhood, there are lots of ceremonies are there, like food, like a food feeding ceremony, like Vartha Bandhan, like marriage ceremony, and etc. So in these types of ceremonies held in our neighborhood, we are going to those house and help them, and we must also attend the guest from their house. If someone is building a house in our neighborhood, if we some development works in our neighborhood, we all are take up cooperative work to build up the house and the developing works doing our neighborhood by mutual helping, cooperation, unity. So all we are knowing this topic, the mutual help, cooperation. The conclusion is the neighborhood in our neighborhood, people solve almost all the problems themselves. They have built a good relationship between neighborhood and create a healthy community. In a good community, people help each other and solve the problems. So we should follow the such cooperative activities in our neighborhood, in our community, to make our community better, our neighborhood better. Homework for class 4 and 5. Class 4 and 5 students, write your homework. The homework is, what do you mean by mutual help? What do you mean by mutual help? Question number 2, how to make neighborhood better? How to make neighborhood better? The question number 3, write any 4 cooperative activities done in your neighborhood. Write any 4 cooperative activities done in your neighborhood. Thank you.